This video is sponsored by LaunchTech USA, solutions with the power to perform fast and accurate OEM-level diagnostics and repair. Visit LaunchTechUSA.com to learn more.
The vehicles of today that we depend on the transportation for ourselves and our family are wired with sensors, technology, and numerous modules that enable us to have an efficient, safe, and luxurious driving experience. This is what we have come to expect and what we demand in the age of luxury and technology. That leads to some important questions. Is your shop equipped to service, repair, and diagnose the vehicles of today? Is your scan tool adhering to the latest vehicle network protocols? Are you able to communicate and extract the most relevant information that leads to quality and expedited repairs? Is your scan tool multifunctional and versatile in your diagnostic workflow? If not, then let me link you with the answers. It's the latest scan tool product from the global automotive aftermarket diagnostics leader, Launch. The Launch X431 Torque Link arrives to the market as a fully comprehensive professional diagnostic tool that is built for durability and performance and developed on the open Android 10.0 platform. Featuring a 2.0 GHz 4-core high-efficiency processor, 10.1-inch color display, 4 gigs of RAM, plus 128 gigs ROM, large storage, and a high-endurance battery and fast performance. The Torque Link has extensive vehicle coverage of domestic, Asian, and European vehicles from 1996 and newer with over 98% market coverage. The X431 Torque Link also features the ability to perform full system fault diagnostics, retrieve and clear DTCs, monitor live data stream PIDs, OE level bidirectional diagnostics, actuation tests, coding, matching, remote diagnostics, and more. As with all Launch professional X431 scan tools, centralize your workflow on the scan tool with the ability to multitask with other web browsers and applications. Now, let's review the numerous features and functionalities that the Launch X431 Torque Link can accomplish to provide quality repair solutions. Many OEMs are adopting new vehicle network protocols such as CAN, CAN-FD, and DOIP. The SmartLink C module also has built-in capability to serve as a J2534 pass-through device that will allow for local reflashing capability. The Torque Link adheres to these network schematics, and the scan tool is compatible in communicating with these vehicles. One of the most important elements in the automotive aftermarket industry is pre-scan documentation. Vehicles are embedded with numerous control modules, and it is important to document the state of the vehicle pre-service or before repair. The topology module mapping feature on the Torque Link depicts a snapshot of all onboard control modules and their statuses. It is important for the technician, service facility, and client that the pre-scan status of the vehicle is documented. Additionally, pre-scan documentation processes is imperative for service offerings such as ADAS calibrations and is a recommended diagnostic practice. The X431 Fix is a new feature that is available for a yearly subscription on the Torque Link. It's a comprehensive automotive repair database, including schematics, wiring diagrams, step-by-step repair procedures, flowcharts, technical service bulletins, diagnostic trouble code analysis, and more. The tech-to-tech remote diagnostic enables technicians to collaborate on complex repairs and diagnostics. You are able to establish a connection by a Launch X431 scan tool to another X431 scan tool or to a PC. To support the remote scenarios, Launch has recently partnered with industry leader Aztec to assist shops in performing module reflashing and/or OE scans with the help of Aztec's remote technical assistance. The Link is an FCA secured gateway compliant scan tool and capable of clearing the security firewall on FCA Chrysler vehicles. Code Assist by Identifix. With this feature, you can access the most common fixes and repair solutions with corresponding DTCs found by other technicians all over the country. Vehicles of today require an optimal battery charge for performance and to eliminate electrically related issues. The TorqueLink has a real-time widget that monitors the vehicle's live voltage during diagnostics. Now that's a winning formula. The TorqueLink is a professional tool that has been built for the technician that demands the most relevant repair and diagnostic features that will allow the service and repair of vehicles on the road today. In addition to being an important aid that will increase your revenue and serve the needs of your loyal client base, it's all wins with the Link. For more information on the Launch X431 TorqueLink, visit LaunchTechUSA.com. Thanks for watching.